You will find the link to blockchain explained slides in the description and pinned in comments below. Most people treat Bitcoin like magic money and then panic when the price crashes. What they don't see is a predictable roadmap under all the noise. Stay with me because by the end, you will know exactly where Bitcoin can take you and what to do at each stage so you don't get burnt. In the next few minutes, I will break Bitcoin into simple, actionable stages from what it is to how to survive a bull run. You will get three clear rules to protect your capital. You will learn one framework to spot capital rotation during bull cycles. You will receive a checklist to move from beginner to confident investor. If you watch to the end, I'll reveal the single mistake 90% of beginners make and how to avoid it. If you want clear, no fluff crypto lessons that protect your money, subscribe now. We publish weekly breakdowns that help beginners avoid costly mistakes and build steady portfolios. Bitcoin isn't just another asset, it actually rewrites what money can be. But why should a beginner care about Bitcoin today? Imagine the internet in 1995. It was confusing, risky, and full of scams, but also the start of something massive. Bitcoin is the internet of money. It's a digital, permissionless asset secured by thousands of nodes. It was designed to be scarce and only 21 million will ever exist. That scarcity plus global access creates value over time. Picture someone who bought Bitcoin in 2012 and ignored the noise. They are financially different today. That possibility creates both hope and a fear of missing out. Next, I'll show the four stages every beginner goes through and which stage guarantees losses if ignored. Everyone moves through the same four mental stages with Bitcoin. Miss one and you will repeat the same mistakes. Stage one is ignorance. You have heard of Bitcoin, but it's vague. Typical mistakes here include chasing hype and buying after a big pump. Stage 2 is experimentation. You buy a small amount, learn wallets and exchanges and maybe lose a private key or panic sell. Stage 3 is systemization. You build a plan through DCA using DCA or dollar cost averaging, learn self custody basics and set a risk limit. Stage 4 is mastery. You manage capital rotation, rebalance across time frames and treat Bitcoin as a strategic asset. If you stop at experimentation, you risk getting traumatized by volatility. With a system, volatility becomes opportunity, not catastrophe. In the next section, I'll give the exact rules for moving from experimentation to systemization. Break these three rules and you will likely lose money. Follow them and you will survive every cycle. Rule 1: protect capital first. Set a maximum position size for yourself. For beginners, that might be 1 to 5% of net worth per position. Use stop loss mental limits, not emotional exits. Rule 2: learn custody. Use a hardware wallet for holdings you plan to keep for more than a year. Practice recovery before you send large amounts. Rule 3: embrace time. Bitcoin's gains are historically long term. Short term trading requires tools and discipline most beginners don't have. Treat Bitcoin like a long term savings account with turbo returns, not a slot machine. If you buy Bitcoin only when it pumps, you're playing a different game. Imagine losing access to your Bitcoin because you skipped a backup. That fear should push you into disciplined action and secure custody. Next, we will map how money flows during a bull run, capital rotation, and why most newcomers misread it. Capital rotation is the hidden engine behind every crypto boom. If you don't understand it, you will sell the winners too early. Capital rotation means money moves from one asset to one asset or sector to another as traders hunt higher returns. In crypto, rotation often flows from Bitcoin to large cap altcoins to mid cap altcoins to small caps and meme coins, and then back to Bitcoin at cycle end. The phases look like this: early accumulation, when smart money quietly accumulates Bitcoin; momentum breakout, where Bitcoin leads and alts lag; alt season, when traders rotate profits into altcoins chasing bigger gains; then reversion, where panic flows into Bitcoin; and then fiat, when markets stop. Think of Bitcoin as the franchise player and alts as risky rookies who shine briefly. Greed makes you chase alts at the top, fear makes you lock in too early, both cost returns. I will now give a checklist to spot rotation in real time. Three signals you can watch. You will rarely be 100% sure, but these three signals give a strong edge. Signal 1: Bitcoin dominance falls. When BTC market share drops, alt money is flowing. Signal 2: Correlated spikes in small cap volume across exchanges. When many small coins surge together, it often means rotation into riskier assets. Signal 3: Derivatives open interest and funding rates favor alts. Short-term leverage can fuel rapid alt rallies and also accelerate collapses. Monitor this on simple dashboards and watch top 10 alt performance versus Bitcoin. Knowing these signals turns panic into opportunity. It reduces the "am I too late" fear. Most beginners misuse these signals. Next, I'll show the three mistakes that ruin trades during rotation. Even with signals, three beginner mistakes can wipe out gains. Mistake 1: over leveraging during alt season. Leverage magnifies both gains and losses, and most beginners cannot manage the downside. Mistake 2: FOMO, buying after big green days. Buying at euphoric tops is usually buying the peak. Mistake 3: ignoring exit rules. No thought out profit taking leads to watching gains evaporate. For example, buying a coin after a 200% run and then watching it drop 70% is a common story. That post win regret and the "I should have sold" feeling is a strong motivator to set rules now. Most experts promote signals and hot tips that sound helpful but actually increase your risk. This is the hidden truth most creators don't tell beginners. The hidden truth is hype driven trading signals and paid insider tips often accelerate your losses because they create a false sense of certainty. The best edge is process, not predictions. A repeatable process of position sizing, custody, and time horizon beats a hot tip every time. That realization hurts because we want shortcuts. Losing faith in shortcuts creates disciplined long term winners. Now, here is the exact roadmap I used to move from beginner to confident Bitcoin investor. Stop zero. Education first. Commit to 30 hours of structured learning on wallets, keys, and market basics. Step 1: small skin in the game. Buy an amount you will forget about and walk through sending, receiving, and backing it up. Step 2: systemize, set position size rules, and use automated DCA for long term buys. Step 3: protect. Move holdings to a hardware wallet and test the recovery seed. Step 4: track rotation. Watch BTC dominance, volume, and open interest signals on simple dashboards. Step 5: profit rules. Predefined profit taking points. For example, take 20 to 50% off at targets and rebalance into cash. Step 6: reassess after cycles. Review mistakes and update your rules after each cycle. This roadmap turns fear into a plan. Following it means you won't be at the mercy of every headline. Before we close, one final action to protect your next move. Write down your position size rule and your custody plan right now. If you don't have those two things, you are not ready to scale your investments. If you want weekly practical crypto guides that save you time and protect your capital, subscribe now. Join a community of beginners turning into thoughtful investors, not gamblers. Before you invest in any coin, watch the next video there where we discuss how blockchain changes industries. It explains where Bitcoin fits into a bigger economic shift and how to spot projects with long term potential. Click the video on the screen now.